Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I end my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. So empty deep within, where did I go wrong? Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I lost my soul. I'm driving to get away.
Good morning, chicklets. How are you guys doing today? So today marks like day 30 of quarantine. We've been here in Central Oregon for about a month, maybe a little bit more than a month, because we actually were here visiting Ashley's family for the week or two before we were gonna go take off on our big adventure. And then all this lockdown happened and then we just kind of stayed here. So originally we were only planning on visiting family for a week or two. Now it'll probably be a few months. Anyways, since we have been here for about a month, it has actually been about a month since we emptied our tanks. That means gray tanks, black tanks, etc. And as many times as we have told the kids to not use the toilet for number 2. You getting the mail? Nice work. Thank you. So as many times as we have told the kids to not use the facilities for number 2, inevitably it happens in the middle of the night or in the morning, or we just forget. So on nice sunny days like this, it is beginning to smell a little ripe. So we are getting hooked up and I'm getting ready to go and dump for the first time in a month or more. Man, let me tell you, I try not to go more than 2 weeks because even with those tablets and whatnot, it begins to smell a little rank. So we're getting hooked up, heading out, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a little weird. This is the first time that we've had the trailer closed up in a month and a half. First time we've towed the trailer in a month and a half or so. And so it's a little weird to be doing such, because usually we travel every 2 weeks or less. And so to go a month and a half without traveling, it's a little weird. It definitely makes me appreciate what we are able to do with this full-time traveling gig, because being locked down in a place like this and being forced to not, you guys know what it's like. I mean, being forced to not go anywhere, I appreciate so much more what we have and the lifestyle that we've done for the past 2.5 years of being able to travel the country and go to these amazing places every week. so thankful for that. So I am so looking forward to this travel ban being lifted. Now granted, I know that there are RVers out there that are still traveling. There are still people that are going to these places because some places are still open, but we are trying to be good. We are trying to abide by the governor's regulations and whatnot here in Oregon to only travel when absolutely necessary. That, and it would be more difficult because a lot of state campgrounds, such as all of Oregon campgrounds, are closed down. A lot of RV parks aren't taking new reservations. So it wouldn't be impossible to travel, but it would be definitely a lot more difficult to travel these days. So for those two reasons, we are staying locked down until things get a little bit more laxed, and then hopefully we can get back on the road. My last glove. So I'm at the Madras Public Works. A lot of the city public works, the water works, places all across the country have dumping facilities. Some of them have fresh water and some of them are even completely free. So definitely before you go to like a Flying J or one of the other big truck stops or something where you can pay upwards of 10 or 15 bucks to fill fresh water and dump, check out the public works because a lot of times they're far more affordable, like only $5 or completely free. So that's what we're doing today. We're here. We don't need to fill up on fresh water, we just need to dump. There actually is a dumping facility closer to Ashley's parents' house that I could have gone to, but because this one is more affordable and I don't have to worry about fresh water, that's why we're here. And it was only like 2 minutes further, so definitely check out public works places before you go to private companies.
We're gonna build a triangle at the top, like this. All of these points are gonna be held together by marshmallows. Okay?
Just like when me and Daddy built the bridge.
Yeah, just like that. This is how we're gonna keep them together.
Marshmallows!
Okay. You wanna help me push it in?
Okay.
There you go. Good job. Okay. So we just started some new lessons on ancient civilization, and I am super excited about the book that I found, and it's just so much fun because I have ideas to help make history come to life for Goose and for Maverick, even though she doesn't necessarily know what we're talking about. We talked about today how Greece and Rome kind of lived near each other and how back then they didn't have the same type of ways to fight that we did. So one thing that we have talked about are, do you remember what they're called? What are
Catapults.
Catapults. So we are making our own catapults, and then we're gonna use some Lincoln logs to make castles, and they're gonna try and knock each other's castles down.
You would never do that, Goose, would you?
Yes, I would. Yes, I would.
You would, Mav? No, you're too cute, Mav. You would never do that.
I can do it.
You can? Okay.
Because I'm a big girl.
You are a big girl. And so they are building their catapults right now.
Yes.
Out of good old marshmallows and sticks, just like the Vikings did back in the day.
The Vikings?
Vikings, okay, not Vikings. The Romans, whatever.
Whoever.
You know, old people.
Whoever.
That's why I make the videos and Ashley teaches the kids. I do teach them math. I teach the kids math, but about everything else is
I help with that.
is Ashley.
Did the Romans have... I'm sure they had catapults. And the Greeks?
We're trebuchets.
What?
Trebuchets?
Whoa.
Do you not know what that is?
I just was shocked that...
Don't even be rude. Don't even say you did not know that I knew what a trebuchet was. Because
Okay,
now I'm going to zoom in on your face.
Marshmallow.
Okay.
Marshmallow.
So that they're skewering it. But you create that strong base, okay?
Okay, now how do I...
Hold on. All right, Miss Mav.
So Mav, tell me what you're building. What are you building here? What is it?
Say a palace wall.
Castle?
Where's your turret?
Mommy's got a pretty good castle going on already here. It's like a bunch of towers. Maverick might be at the age where she copies anything and everything her big sister says. She wants to be just like Goose. Isn't that right, Mav? Do you want to be just like your sissy? Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm surprised she actually admitted it. All right, arm the catapult. Lock and load the catapult. Fire!
Look out, Goose.
Fire!
Oh, my...
Wah,
I need to get
wah.
close. She's closer.
Fire! Mom, you're gonna need a lot more range. You need a tighter rubber band. Fire, Goose, fire! Oh, direct hit on the city!
And fire!
Here you want.
Here, we'll fake it. You launch it, and then I'll throw this, and they'll think that you're a good shooter.
No, they won't.
Okay, ready, go.
It's coming from behind.
They'll never know. Whoa! Look at that, Mom! You did it.
You're a bum. Hold this back. I'll hold this. Now let go. Let go.
It's sticky.
It is. Okay, ready? Pull it down. Let go.
Whoa! You did it. Good
Did it.
job.
You want to do it again? Okay. Here it is. Ready? And let go.
Darn it!
Never. I haven't even gotten off a single shot yet.
Can I eat one now? Mommy, can I eat one?
Whoa! I went over her head.
Grab it.
Eat one.
Not from the ground.
Aw. Mommy?
wait.
Mom?
Watch out. I cannot wait for all this insanity to be over, you guys. I cannot wait to get back on the road. I am literally checking the news every day to see if any other states are getting stuff opening up. Like I've heard Georgia recently got their some of their things opening back up, like their barber salons and whatnot. I'm just waiting for some of the Pacific Northwest, like Idaho and Montana, Oregon, Washington area, to have a lot more laxed rules and regulations so we can get back on the road, go to some state parks, go to national parks. Oh, you guys, we had so many big plans for right now. Currently, we were supposed to be over, I don't know if I want to ruin it. Do I want to give it away? Whoa. I hope you guys are staying safe right now. I hope you guys are in a place where you're not going crazy, being stuck inside your home. We will get through this together, you guys. We will. And until next time, guys, remember, stay positive. Get out there when you can. Life is an adventure, so make some memories.